So since they came out a few weeks ago, I've been looking at picking up one of the new Seiko 5 Sports, the one with the trimmed down SKX case, no bezel. I was looking at getting the gray dialed version, and I finally sat down to pull the trigger, and I was hunting around to see if I could find a bit of a deal and discovered that there's a new limited edition model of the watch with an awesome colorway that I just had to have. Showed up in the mail today, so a quick unboxing for you guys today. I have a couple of more watches coming tomorrow, and I was going to do them all together in one big unboxing video, but I think this one might be deserving of its own video, so let's take a look at the watch. Okay, so this is filling up pretty well. The whole frame looks like quite a large box in there, but let's get rid of the outer packaging here first. And get into the inner now. See how we want to go about doing this here. Number one. And move that stuff out of the way. One more tape, and we should be all set. My knife needs a sharpening now. So there it is. Let me clear this other stuff out of the way here. So let's get into it here. And if anybody's wondering, I picked this up from Japan Select. I think this is the second watch I've bought, maybe even the third watch I've bought from them. Really quick delivery. Just got our usual instruction manual here. And this is it. And look at that beautiful blue with that green second hand. Okay, so here's the story on these, and again, I just discovered these. There's a collection, and I think it's actually marked on the back of this watch. They are called the Japan Collection 2020. They're all limited edition pieces. I believe this is 500, limited to 500 pieces. I read in from one source that it was 1,000 pieces, but most of the places did say 500, so I'm not sure if it's numbered or not, but it is an absolute beautiful colorway. I'll actually put up on the screen because I found a screenshot of the other watches in the lineup. There's an Astron that uses this colorway. There is a Sumo. Another chronograph. There's a few different watches that are using this. I believe there's 7 altogether at the moment, and I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. So let me get the tape and plastic off of this one. So now that I have the plastic off, you can see here on the case back the crystal has etched there in blue. Japan Collection 2020 limited edition. And another thing with these watches in this collection, I did read that a portion of the proceeds are going to Red Cross Japan to help assist with the COVID-19 fight over there. So that's kind of cool that Seiko's doing that. Back over to one more look at the dial, and that was the seller for me 100%. I really like that blue bezel too, really cool looking, and liking the case size with the SKX styling, but that slimmed down size. I think this is going to wear really good. So this is just a really fast look today. I will close it out with the wrist check though. And there it is, and man, that colorway is so cool. The blue pops like crazy. I absolutely love how the case wears on wrist too. I will have to take a link out, I think, here to get the full effect, but the model number, by the way, on this watch is SBSA061. I am not 100% sure what the availability is. I did notice a few sites were sold out, and they may sell out kind of quick. I'm not sure on that, but I'll be coming back with a full review of the watch in the next few days. We'll talk about the specifications, I'll do the loom shot, all of that good stuff. So that's it for today, guys. I really appreciate you stopping by and checking out this Blue Beauty with me. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.